Great teams are facing each other today in this Dream League live fixture. Who'll come out on top? The cheer goes up as we start the match. Kim. Safety first, back to the goalkeeper. Rudiger. Oh, well intercepted. Haaland shoots. Keeper glad to see that one go wide. And their first shot of the day is off target. And it's back to the keeper. Throw in here. Long throw. It's a throw-in. This is Rodrigo. Surely now. Haaland drives forward. What a chance! That strike was off target. Oh, that's great determination. Headed on. They've misplaced a lot of their passes. This is Haaland. Bellingham with a shot. That sailed wide of the goal. No goals then in the first half. Can anyone score in the second? They're controlling the play with ease. Lovely pass. Stunning save there. Now, what can they conjure up from this set piece? Real with the finish. Well, they've taken the lead, and I wonder now whether that will give them some momentum for another goal. It looks like the manager has some changes in mind. It's Messi with the ball. Great dribbling. Is this the moment? Oh, and they've drawn level. Well, nothing in it now, and this game could go either way. This is Rodrigo. Well cut out. To get ahead in this game, they need to shut out the opposition. Haaland shoots. Oh, so close there. What influence can he have on the pitch? And it's Ronaldo. He's got the ball at his feet. This is Haaland. And now De Bruyne. And this is Rashford. That's well out by the defence. Moving down the flanks here. Wates, great tackle. It's Messi with the ball. So, still all square, both sides. Well, they deserve a point. However, there's still time left to cause a late upset. Three changes from the manager. Can they impress out there? The manager wants someone else to take this free kick. My guess is this game has more goals, and we may see one very soon. The goal kick taken short. Played back to the goalkeeper. Long shot. The shot was high and over the bar. Keeper goes short. Oh, this is crisp passing. Yes, a late goal. That must be the winner. And that might be the one which will win it for them. His manager will be delighted with that goal. So close. But the other team managed to edge them out and win 2-1. They must do better.